This is the Box K3 Pro that I ordered from Banggood, and as you can see the box is working, but the problem is with remote control. It's like some keys are working, but the few keys are not in a working condition. Like the key, select the one, it's not working. There is no response from key 1. With the third number key, it's also not working, and the menu key is not working with in this original remote control. But some other keys are working. Like if you want to select 2, this is in working condition. And this is the problem with the remote control. Also the LED is not blinking. This is the replacement remote you sent after I registered the complaint. This remote control is not supported with this device. Like if I press 2, it's selecting 5. You can see if I press 3, it's increasing volume, and if I press 6, it's no response from key number 6. And if I press 7, this selects 7, and if I press 8, it's plus. And this fourth number key is subtitle, and this is not useful for me. Like this is back button, and so this is the problem with the remote controls. Thank you.